welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to be making a high protein, low carb waffle chicken Caesar salad. Alright, so, and I seen this on TikTok, so it's like one of those viral TikTok recipes. So we're going to make that today. And so first thing you're going to do, we're going to chop up some lettuce. And these are romaine lettuce. And I've already washed them. So we're just going to get them into my bowl. And this is like really the only chopping you're going to do because it's just the Caesar lettuce. And he used, in his recipe, he used some grated Parmesan cheese out of this jar, so that's what we're going to do. And since I am on a high protein diet, I am going to be doing a lot of high protein videos along with the rest of my regular videos. Alright, so I've got my salad all up here. And now that we're just going to add that's it. Then we're going to add the Caesar dressing to it last. I don't want it to soggy out my lettuce, so we're not going to do that just yet. And this is all we're going to do to this right now. And when we come back, we're going to start doing the chicken. Okay, so in his video, he seasoned it. I can't remember what the seasoning is, but I'm just going to season it how I want to. I'm going to throw a little salt in here because, you know, rotisserie chicken is bland, and this is some leftover rotisserie chicken that I had, so I'm going to use that. Got some parsley because it's pretty, and that's what I want on it. I'm going to use some seasoning. Not too much because I did sprinkle some salt in there. I'm going to go in with some garlic. I like garlic. It's delicious. And I think he did use some garlic. I think he used some Cajun seasoning too, but I don't have any today, so we won't be using that. And some black pepper. And some onion powder. Alright. Just like that. Then, he used a couple eggs, but I'm going to use 3 because, you know, that's a lot of chicken in here. And that's all he used really was eggs and season and the rotisserie chicken. And eggs are high in protein. And it's a binder. So why not? Alright, then he used his hand and he mixed up all of this. Just like so. And he just mixed it until he got it all mixed in, and it was kind of like mushy kind of, I guess. Like where you can hold it together, he said, like that. So that's what I done. So when we come back, we're going to start on that waffle. I'm going to get my waffle maker together. I'm going to change my gloves and everything. Alright. So I have my waffle maker here, all ready to go. So I'm just going to spray her up some. And he had the square one. I had the circle Belgian waffle one. So let's see. Go here. give it a little more. I don't know. It's my first time making it, so we're gonna see. Look like it would be good. Maybe I think I should just spread it out a little more. How about that, guys? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna spread it out and make it just go in there, just like so. And see how that works. This is supposed to flip. Guess not. I don't know. So I'm just gonna leave it and let it cook. So when the word ready comes, when this green button pops up and it's ready, then guys, we're gonna see what we did here. Okay, it's ready. Flip this baby back over. This is what it looked like. It don't look like his was a lot more crispier than mine. Maybe I put too much in there. Let's see. It's only the first one. First one always, not always the best one. So, this is what it looks like so far. I guess maybe if I had the square pan, I don't know. I don't know, guys. What y'all think? Let me know in the comment section what y'all think I did wrong. Trial and error, trial and error. I'm going to do a thinner layer this time. Let's see what that do. Alright. Alright. So I'm going to do a thinner one this time. I'll taste it. Not bad. I need some salt. That's me. Alright. Okay, here's another one. Oh, now this one was a little better. So, I guess, see if I can get it out. That's my problem. Try and get this thing out. Oh yeah, I like that one. That one was pretty. Oh yeah. Put another one in here. Hold on, let me see if I do it this way. Right here like this. And then smash it around, and then just put it in there like this. What y'all think? Think it's gonna be good? Alright. Now that last one was really good. Turn it. Alright, let's see what we get. When we come back, I'm gonna finish up these. And when we come back, we're going to see what happens. Okay. So, this is the last one. It's ready. Come out. Hopefully. Alright. And this is, alright, so this is done. I'm finished the waffle maker. And this is what they look like right here. Alright, so when I come back, we're going to do the, finish the salad. Okay, so now I already put the cheese in there. Now we're going to just get some Caesar dressing. Not a lot, it's enough. Now we're just going to toss it up. Toss it around. Like so. There it is. Now we just got to plate it up. That's it. A quick, easy dinner. Okay. So let's. I think I want this one. I want this one. Now, got my salad. It goes right on top. Just like this. Much as you like. Yeah. Looks a little like this. Okay. Delicious. Of the salad. This is a very delicious, low carb, high protein. This can be made for lunch or dinner. This is really good. I'm telling you, from 1 to 10, this is a 7. This is real good, guys. Give this a try. Okay. Because usually when I make some viral dishes, I don't really like them, but this is good. Alright. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.